guys, I'm out here doing some work on my rose and I'm so disappointed. Let me flip the camera and show you what I'm working with. So this is my rose. Now last year, close to this time, it was covering this wall on both sides of this lilac here with beautiful buds, and by June it has beautiful blooms. But for some reason I cut this off, and you can see here this cane, let's see if it focuses, is pretty dead. There's no life in there. There are a few canes here that do have some life in it, right? And some coming here. So I'm gonna kind of prune this back pretty hard and see what we end up with. Like, look how dead, ouch! Youch! Look how dead this is. Wow, that's a lot of dead. My prize rose bush is dead. Oh. I should have on my leather gloves, but now this is the other rose bushes. As you can see, not even one leaf has come out, but when you look down in the crown of the rose, there's lots of leaves and new buds coming up. So I'm just going to cut it right back. Look at these, all my roses. I don't think there's any signs of life here. There's not even one bud on any of these. I think they have to be replaced. So I bit the bullet and bought a few new roses. This one here is an oh so easy peasy continuous blooming rose by Pruning. I just love the color. It's been a day of planting, and I've had this in its can for maybe a week or two, and it's starting to yellow on the leaves. So I think I will get it into the ground, as well as that other climber over there. It's time to get these bad boys planted. And there she is. I like to give my roses something to get started with, so I give them a little bit of sea compost. It's a Miracle Grow product. Any kind of compost really will do, and as well as some bone and blood meal. These are stuff that the roses really like and gives them a good head start. I also fed the existing roses, the ones that I did keep, which was really only 2 or 3, the ones that showed a little bit of promise. I made sure I gave them a good feeding. This is the side garden, and this is just the corner before you hit the gate into the back garden. So I figured, along with the clematis here, I needed some vertical interest. So I've decided to plant this little climbing rose. Now this is a tough little rose. It's a Morden Blush climbing rose, and it should do a lot better with these Canadian winters. Roses in my area, and a lot of people lost roses, but I'm just not ready to give them up yet. So here are a few shots of some of the plants that are definitely thriving a couple weeks later, and I'm very happy for that. I even have some new buds on there, and hopefully this winter it won't be so harsh on them. But that's it for now, guys. Hope everybody's having a great planting day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It would really be appreciated. Take care for now. Bye-bye.